The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall. Why you can't look for a cousin and begging some work? If you work and you do 7 days a week, and let's chat.
You know why? You know, may I answer your question? You know why?
Yeah.
Because I'm above that. I am suppressed that. Because I have 7 subjects, I also have physics under my belt.
Tell who they are buy rum
I
and
can be
gear,
a
make
part
you
of
drink.
forensics.
We're not on a subject.
I
I
can't
can't buy rum gear,
any
make
murder
you drink. We're not on a subject.
So why am I going to seek employment on a site, a fucking construction site, which is going to pay me $2,500 per day to get myself 30? What the fuck am I going to do? Send me to fucking law school. Let me improvise for medication. Send me to fucking law school. Then prove something to you.
Big up your education more.
I've been to Box Unlimited, which is their private institution, where everybody drives a Honda car or a Civic. These niggas, we've been rolling, niggas. Fucking Box Unlimited, we've been rolling. So why am I gonna be itching in the corner? I'm trying to. Yeah. Why am I gonna be itching up in the corner, sending applications, sending resumes, and these companies are rejecting me? You're crazy, nigga. And I have my qualification from Box Unlimited.
Keep my bum buckler. Don't say that. Don't say that.
Me, I don't say.
Yeah. 7 subject and you're fully done.
Why am I full done?
Eh?
Why?
Cause 7 subject.
I'm gonna teach every man in a 4-year old or a man. I teach everybody of it. Alright, if we ever teach the laws of momentum, run, you know. If we teach the fucking laws of momentum, for the
back of one wall before blood.
read up every encyclopedia there is in law, running,
Drop 4 creases round some man in a wall. Make you can reason it.
We fight a case pertaining to shooting at 15 years.
Fight.
For 4 years. You think my vocabulary big?
Where? How come?
Which boy can look up one of my friends and tell him I'm a murderer?
I pay a year
I don't pay $3 million in a court. No make a $3 million in a court. No. $3 million in a court. And so I'm a friend of my murderer. Him look like my criminal. We can't come and go, no. I pay $15 million, no. I make you have a pay. You're on remand for that.
Cheers.
He's a billionaire, not just millionaire.
Yeah, billionaire.
Me locate with rich people. Me locate with rich people at Central Bank. In charge of money laundering. Him rob the Palm Store crossroad for more than 20 years. Him rich.
Rich.
And him rich. Him charge of murder. He murder him the owner brother-in-law. And call to evening. Can you go and jump off?
See saltfish.
Hey boy, stop it talking. Me charge the
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, me there you again. Big up and respect to each and every one. You see? You see that video that I just presented to you? That video circulating all over on social media. According to some things that have been said on social media about that video, it is said that the video shows a man who had been shot and killed during a attempted robbery of a gas station and a shootout between police and gunmen within a place that is known as Red Hills, that is within the parish of St. Andrew, that is within the country of Jamaica, on the 17th of May, the year 2021. It is said that armed men attempted to rob a gas station, and it is said that the police somehow found out about it and the police responded and a shootout happened between the police and gunmen, and it is said that one of those gunmen had been shot and killed, and at one point it was believed that the others escaped. However, it is said that hours after, the police had been alerted about noise coming from the building of the gas station, and in one news article that I read, it is said that the police arrived at the scene and found the person hiding in the building with gunshot wounds. And in another news article that I read, it said something different. However, in all the news articles that I read about the incident, it is said that the person who was hiding in the building is said to be a 15-year-old boy. It is said that the police arrived at the scene of the incident and found a 15-year-old boy hiding in the building who is believed to be one of the robbery suspects. You see? Now, if any of you, my viewers and subscribers, want more information about this incident, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video. And if you click that link will take you to a previous video that I posted about the incident. Alright? Many comments have been made about this video on social media, viewers and subscribers. You see me? And some of those comments gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that this person had the potential to do good things with his life, but however, he chose the wrong way. If the things that have been said on social media about this video, if they are true, I think it is sad. I think it is sad. And that is if they are true. You understand? According to some things that the person said in the video, I got the understanding that the person said that he has subjects at that time. And I also saw a video circulating on social media that shows a person who is said to be the person who video recorded that video that I just presented to you. See? But however, I want you to remember that I'm only going by some things that have been said on social media. You see me? And sometimes misleading information can circulate on social media. You see? But however, if the things that have been said on social media about that video, if they are true, I think it is sad. It is said that that video that I just presented to you shows a person who had been shot and killed during a shootout between police and gunmen, and it is said that the person was involved in the attempted robbery and the shootout between police and gunmen. So if that is true, viewers and subscribers, I really think it is sad, you see. Alright, so I'm going to leave it right there, viewers and subscribers. You can let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you. And with that, I'm going to move on to another topic. See, now there are reports out there about a man who set his girlfriend and their business place on fire within a place that is known as Great River, that is within the parish of Hanover, that is within the country of Jamaica. It is said that the incident happened on the 19th of May, the year 2021. And it is said that the man is now on the run. See? It is said that an argument developed between the man and his girlfriend, and the man threw a flammable substance on his girlfriend and on the business place or the premises. You see me? And it is said that the man set the place on fire and set his girlfriend on fire, viewers and subscribers. And it is said that after that, the man fled the scene of the incident. You see? It is said that the man and the woman operates a car wash and a bar in Great River, Hanover, Jamaica. Now, I'm going to present an audio to you, my viewers and subscribers. And this audio is from a video that is circulating on social media that shows the female badly burnt. And in this audio, you're going to hear the female, and you're going to hear other persons who are trying to help the female, and some of the things said in this audio, some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not want to hear. You see what I'm saying to you? Anyways, I'm presenting this audio to you so that you can get a better understanding as to what happened. Alright, now, some of the things said in this audio might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the audio. Take a listen and observe.
Clot, man. Boy, no put no clot pan her. No put no clot pan her. What just happened a while ago?
It is said that the female accused the boyfriend of being jealous, and it is said that the female said that the boyfriend accused her of disrespecting him. Viewers and subscribers, it is said that law enforcers had been alerted about the situation or about the incident, and it is said that the female had been taken to a hospital, and it is said that she remained in the hospital in critical condition. You see? I don't have any confirmed information about the female's medical condition. However, if there's any more info about the incident, I will leave comments in the comment section of this video to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. Alright, so I just presented that video to you so that you can get a better understanding as to what happened, viewers and subscribers. And here's where I'm going to leave it, you know. Alright, so big up and respect to each and every one. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Gonna big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know what I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.